Hi everyone, Josh from Chewett Hill Trucks here. Today, just arrived, we have a 2010 model Scania R560 6x4 prime mover with hydraulics. So this is the vehicle, it's just arrived ex-East, just been put through our workshop and is ready for sale. Very tidy truck, 967,000 kilometres with the automatic. Still has a clutch, but it is on automatic. You can see we've got super singles here on the front. Tyres are good all the way around, plenty of meat on all the tyres. We've got stainless guards, 2-inch pin turntable, LED lights on the rear. Previously set up for end tipper work. You can see we've got our hydraulic connection points sitting up here, all our air to the rear. All just here for the trailer. The Visa air conditioning unit there, sitting on the rear. Truck itself is very tidy. It's locked, I'll come around the other side. Bull bar on the front. Amber beacons, no leaks on it. It is a very tidy truck, starts and runs and drives very well. As you can see here, 967,000 kilometres showing. She runs and drives very well. Cab's very tidy, been very well maintained by previous owner. And being 90 tonne rated, this truck has a huge scope of application. If you think this might be the right truck for you, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us here at THT. Thanks for watching.